Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now, like the time is, I don't know, 6 something. It was supposed to be out by like 6:30, but it was just too dark to be out. So I just decided to go a little bit when it's light, you know, when it's a little bit bright out. Come on with us.
In your mouth, you were good to me. I ain't built like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to forth.
Yes, you are. Climb right, just don't fall. I'm sweating like a wet chalk.
If I had patience, I work when I want. I do what I want. She get what she want. I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you top me off. You know I be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Speak without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know I break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know I break it.
Don't.
And you guys. Oh my goodness, what's my foot getting stuck?